Across generations, the ancestors of the Igbo people of Nigeria have spoken of a driving force, gotten from the diverse forms and aspect of the great Chi. They regard it as a personal guiding spirit that walks with every human being. They call it Chi, and the Yoruba call it Ori, because they believe this spirit to be their head, the focal point of their existence. In this video, we'd go through the Igbo tradition, understanding of this Chi, and it's the secret to accessing its transformative powers as our guide here on Earth. In Igbo cosmology, Chi is multifaceted. It's not just relative to our understanding of personal spirit guide, but it may be experienced in more than one way at once, such as the Chi as a personal force. Every person is born with Chi, a spiritual spark from the great Chi. This spark is unique and is often described as one's spiritual, double, personal God, or life force. It does not die with physical death in some traditional conceptions. It transcends as spiritual consciousness as a personal spirit. Chi is intimately involved in one's identity as preconceived through Igbo cosmic oath. The Chi in this context is known as our other self, the unseen companion that participates in your life, influencing the decisions, directs the trajectory of your life manifestations, and signs of Chi as a personal guide include intuition, inner promptings, dreams, frequent inner voices or inclinations. Many in the Igbo tradition interpret these as the inner movements of one's Chi-felt sense of something not right or right inside. Here we have moral tension and discomfort when acting against one's core or predestined path. Chi as counselor. The Igbo ancestors understand the Chi as a counselor, a helper, a force one can turn to for wisdom. It utilizes dreams, moral conscience, and life circumstances as tools to fulfill this function. Hence, in many traditional practices, people sometimes seek the diviner to understand what Chi is advising or warning them about. Divination can help interpret how Chi sees a person's current path and the troubles that lie ahead, how counseling happens, dreams, visions, recurring dreams, symbolic images. The Chi uses this medium to communicate inner conscience, moral prompting. Guilt, shame, and a lack of inner peace are often interpreted as emotional, spiritual signals. These signals are often seen as counsel from Chi life patterns. Events such as obstacles and opportunities are interpreted as Chi's signposts for direction. For example, repeated blockages may indicate that one is straying from one's cosmic path. The practical effects of this include helps in decision-making, selection of vocation, marriage, major life changes, etc. offers correction. When warnings are ignored, the consequence may deepen. When heeded, one may avoid harm. Fosters humility, recognizing that one's wisdom alone is insufficient. One needs to listen to spiritual guidance. 3. Chi as endless as time. Chi is tied to the view of time in Igbo cosmology that is not strictly linear. There is the past, ancestors, the present, and the future, but they interact. Chi exists before birth. Some believe one's Chi chose a destiny before incarnation and persists after death until one's purpose for reincarnating is achieved. Manifestations and philosophical significance. The Igbo belief holds that before a child is born, the child's Chi chooses or accepts a destiny package. The potentials, gifts, weaknesses, life path, etc. All are targeted at guiding the existence of the child in this current reincarnation or incarnation continuity through lineage. When one dies, the chi or consciousness reincarnates to continue its journey or its unfinished business transcendence over physical time. Kai's influence is not bound by chronological time. Delayed fulfillment may still manifest. A decision made now may affect life far ahead. An Igbo proverb says, delayed success is often attributed to strong chi. Chi is fate or destiny refers to what one's chi has allotted, starting when the chi has allocated it to manifest, hence good or challenging parts of life, to opportunities and obstacles, etc. One will experience them before they reach the Kai's desired destination. Some believe destiny is largely predetermined by chi. Others believe that while chi provides the blueprint, human free will, effort, moral action, alignment can modify outcomes. There is a spectrum of belief on the Kai's influence on fate manifestations, and Sigbo proverbs often reference fate, destiny, through chi. For example, despite hard work, someone may still fail. This is explained through looking at the Igbo philosophy of patience and karma. How it transforms your life when life feels unfair. The Chi principle teaches you to ask the right questions by intuitively asking you to look at the deeper meanings behind each struggle. It even teaches you 3 things. 1, that your struggles have meaning. 2, you are responsible for your choices. 3, tomorrow can be different if you realign with your chi. How to align with your chi? To align with your chi, try these ancestral practices. 1, greet your chi each morning by pouring libations and breaking coconut. 2, reflect on the meaning of your ancestral name and the name of your chi. 3, work hard and stay disciplined. 4, live honestly and ethically. 5, mark life's big moments with gratitude and affirmations. Your chi is not far away. It walks with you. It responds to your actions, your character. When you align with it, life stops feeling random and starts feeling guided.